Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing my brand new glasses that I got last week. I've been loving these things. So far, everyone I know has liked them. But you know, some people, they're just not used to the new look, I guess. But it's all good. So this week, today's look, I did a more simple look. I used my Balm Cosmetics Petal to the Metal. It's a cream eyeshadow palette. So I guess for darker skin tones, it's more of like a nudish palette. In my opinion, you could use it for every day. Like if you're going to work, you don't want to do too much. This is a nice go-to look. Keep watching, leave any comments down below, and let me know your thoughts. Thanks. To prep my face, I'm going to be using my Camellia Prep and Suede by Milani face oil. I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Next, I'm going to do my brows with my Instant Lift Brow Pencil by Balm Cosmetics. Brows used to be my least favorite thing to do because I wasn't really sure how to do them, and finally when I learned, now it's like the most fun part of doing my makeup every day. I'm concealing my brows with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. Applying the concealer this way helps to prime the eyelids for the eyeshadow. Now I'm concealing my eyelids with my NYX HD concealer in the color CW04. I decided to use just a little bit today because I'm using cream-based eyeshadows. For my foundation, I'll be using my Almay Make Myself Clear in the color 900. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the foundation application and just fast forward to the contour application. To contour, I'm going to be using my FentyBeauty Matchstick in the color Espresso to do my cheekbones, around my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and around my chin. I'm going to blend in my contour with the foundation, and I'm blending it up and down so that it blends a little better into the skin and that doesn't look too uniform on my face. Next, I'm going in with the concealer using my FentyBeauty Matchstick in the color Suede. For the concealer, you want to brush it in to your face and up by the eye in an upward motion. For the eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Balm Cosmetics Petal to the Metal. And the first color I'll be using is Shift, which is on the bottom right-hand corner. I basically use Shift as kind of my base color. I just did it on the right corner of my eye and like over the top of the lid. Color number 2, I'm using the color Pickup, which is like a darker brownish purple color. I'll be using that right next to Shift. My third and main color is going to be Luxury, which is a beautiful like glowy gold burgundy type shimmer. I'll be putting that over the center of the lid. I'm blending it in with the other two colors, that way they fade into each other nicely. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to be using the color Convertible. And I'll be dabbing in that shimmer right there in that corner. For the under eye, I'll be using the color Compact, which is like a shimmery purple. I'll use my finger to apply that. I went ahead and completed the other eye, and now I'm going to apply my eyeliner with my liquid liner. For some lashes, I'm going to apply my dual Lash Glue, and then I'll be using my Beauty Shop lashes. If any of you has a secret way of taking off the glue when you take off the lashes, please tell me, because it's the hardest part of removing my makeup. The lash application isn't as bad as it was before. These lashes are kind of weird though. They have the really white line on there. I'm going to go over that with some mascara to kind of let it blend in better. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using my FentyBeauty Matchstick in the color Cinnamon. This is a cream-based highlighter. I'm going to go in with my highlighter brush to just blend that in with my face a little bit better. For today's lips, I'm going to be using my FentyBeauty Stunna lip paint in the color Unveil and my FentyBeauty Gloss Balm in the color Sweet Mouth. The Stunna lip paints usually get matte afterwards. I wanted to keep this look glossy. That's why I combined it with that Sweet Mouth Gloss Balm. Lastly, I'm going to be going in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray to set this look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know if y'all noticed my purple hair. I was messing around with this edge booster color. I was thinking maybe I should do a video of how I did it, but let me know if y'all want to see a video of how I did this hairstyle, at least applied the color. But I hope y'all enjoy this look. It was fun to make. Took me 2 days to do it, but you know, good stuff takes time. So thanks y'all for watching. Bye.